Hello everyone, I am Nancy Wu. Today I would like to share a simple story from everyday life. Sometimes the most valuable life lesson come from the most unexpected conversation. Today, while a team was installing an air conditioner in my home, we started talking about something much more important than air conditioner. We talk about education. We talk about education. One of the technician is the father of a young child. Like many parents around the world, he hopes his son can attend a good school one day. He asked me whether getting into a famous school is the key to succeed. My answer was simple. I believe the best education at home. I believe the best education begins at home. School teach knowledgeable, but family builds character. School teach knowledgeable, but family build character. Parents are a child first teachers. Through everyday word and action, children learn honesty, responsibility, respect, kindness, and gratitude. This value cannot simply be taught in a textbook. In today's AI era, technology is advancing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence can solve many problems, but it can never replace integrity, compensation, responsibility, or good judgment. These qualities are learned first at home. These qualities are learned first at home. I also encourage a young technician to continue mastering his professional skill. Technology will continue to change, but people with practical skill, strong character, and a responsible attitude will always be needed. Will be always be needed. This conversation reminded me of a timeless truth. A famous school may open a door, but good character open many more. A famous school may open a store, but good character open many more. The greatest gift parents can give their children is not famous school, but a strong characters. I hope today's story has inspired you. If you enjoy, please share it to your friend and your families. Remember, the best education begins at home. Remember, the best education begins at home. Thank you for listening. I am Nancy Wu. I will see you next time on Four Virtue of Life. Bye.